Okay, welcome back to this Bforartist tutorial. I was just working on this new tutorial actually about a fluid simulation in Bforartist when I noticed that the transparent option is different in Bforartist than in Blender, and I quickly just wanted to show you this just so you know. So I have my scene here, my fluid simulation, which is messed up because I reset it, but it doesn't matter because what we want is to see what we don't want to see actually, this HDRI that I loaded up from HDRI Haven right here. And how do we do this? So first thing we would do in Blender is go to the render tab, go down to film and press transparent, except as you can see Bforartist does not have this option. So we don't go in transparent, instead we have to go into the output folder in the scenes. And if you go down, you might see a bit hidden here, we have the transparent option. As you can see now everything is transparent, which is exactly what we need. And when we go into your camera view, sorry, I was pressing 0, I'm still in Blender in my head. We press F12 and as you can see we have an alpha, we have an image with an alpha transparency channel. Except beware, quick tip, if you want to save this image for whatever reason, make sure it's a PNG, because if you have a sort of video file or a JPEG selected, for example you have a JPEG selected, you render it out by pressing F12 or Control F12. Well no, that's a video, but whatever. The point is, if you render it out and try to save this image here, save as example desktop, I'll just save the image and I'll show you guys that the problem with this is that it does not support if you render out in an alpha transparency. Even if you do have the JPEG format with transparency, it won't support the transparency, so it will just be black. So that's just a quick tip one for you. Make sure that you render it out with a PNG image format so you don't screw up. And make sure it's set to RGBA, which stands for RGB, which is green, red, blue for the colors, and A for alpha, which is the alpha channel, which is nothing, which is transparency. And this is it for this tutorial. Thank you very much for following along, and well, subscribe to see this tutorial when I've finished it. See you then.